Before we start, guys, we will be giving $100 at the end of July to a random subscriber. To participate, you only need to be subscribed to our channel, like this video, and comment on any of our social media so we can contact you and send you some cash. If you want to make multiple streams of income, dividend investing is an amazing strategy. I mean, just think about it. Investing in dividend stocks not only gives you the typical value appreciation of the stocks, but it also helps you create a steady stream of passive income. I would say that if you're smart with your money, investing in dividend stocks can pay off big time. Now the question is, what are some of the best dividend stocks? What's up, guys? Welcome back to Glory Investing Show. In our today's video, I'm going to tell you about the top 5 dividend stocks you can buy under $50. However, before we go any further, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to hit that bell icon as well so you don't miss any updates. Now without further ado, I will show you.
What are we about to eat it?
Just kidding, guys, we're starting with our first dividend stock. First of all, we have Stag Industrial, which is basically a real estate investment trust. Stag Industrial is focused on the acquisition and operation of single-tenant industrial properties throughout the US. The total value of this enterprise is $7.3 billion. At the moment of making this video, the price of one Stag share was $39.04. The dividend rate is 3.71% per year, and they paid the last dividend on June 29th of this year. Here, it is worth noting that the vast majority of the real estate portfolio of this company is comprised of warehouse and distribution buildings. And according to a report published by NASDAQ, most of these facilities are located in Midwestern and Eastern US states. Stag Industrial derives nearly all of its income in the form of rental income from its portfolio of warehouse and distribution properties. You might also want to know that most of the rental income of this company comes from its facilities located in Eastern and Midwestern United States cities. Currently, this company pays an annual dividend of $1.45 per share. The next monthly dividend will be made on July 15th of this year. One of the best things about Stag Industrial is that they have grown their dividend for the last 7 consecutive years. They have been increasing their dividend by an average of 0.82% each year, and the company pays out 76.72% of its earnings as a dividend to its shareholders. Next on our list is STOR Capital Corporation, which provides real estate investment trust services. This company is an internally managed net lease rate, and it buys, invests, and manages single-tenant operational rate estate. STOR Capital Corp has invested in chain restaurants, supermarkets, distribution, retail, service facilities, and health clubs. At the moment of making this video, the price of STOR share was $35.89. And according to a report published by Financial, the genius of the STOR Capital business model is its focus on service-oriented businesses. In fact, STOR Capital CEO Chris Volk claims the company is not a retail company. Instead, the REIT specializes in business that cannot be disrupted easily through technological innovation. The report also states, with over 2,000 existing locations and an average of $100 million in monthly new purchases, STOR Capital Corp has a well-diversified portfolio spread across 49 states. And apart from that, the STOR Capital dividend is also impressive. It is paying a 4.6% dividend yield, according to a report published by The Motley Fool. Some of the top tenants of STOR Capital include Camping World, Ashley Home Store, AMC Theaters, and Bass Pro Shops. And check this out, STOR Capital's properties have a 99.7% occupancy rate. Since the year 2014, this company has increased its dividend by 32%. STOR Capital is currently paying an annual dividend of $1.44 per share, and they typically pay 4 dividends each year. For those who don't know, Omega Health Investors Incorporated is a self-administered REIT which maintains a portfolio of long-term healthcare facilities as well as mortgages on healthcare facilities located in the United Kingdom and the United States. This REIT provides lease or mortgage financing to qualified operators of assisted living facilities and skilled nursing facilities. Last year, Omega Healthcare Investors Incorporated ranked second among healthcare REITs, and moreover, it was ranked 26th in overall shareholder return among all REITs. Since the year 2003, this company has delivered an annual dividend increase each year. So, OHI is a REIT that focuses on nursing homes and assisted living facilities. And according to a report published by The Motley Fool on May 23rd of this year, The company managed to maintain its dividend throughout the pandemic as a testament to its underlying financial strength today. You will receive $0.67 per share per quarter if you decide to invest in OHI stocks, which represent a 7.4% dividend yield.
Some people can't handle success. I can.
Since OHI is a real estate investment trust, it has to pay out at least 90% of its earnings in the form of a dividend. The annual dividend per share is $2.68, and the cost of one OHI share at the moment of making this video was $37.19. You might also want to note that OHI's dividends are paid quarterly, and the last dividend was paid to shareholders on May 17th of this year. The market cap of OHI is $8.753 billion. Key Corp is basically the holding company for Key Bank National Association, which happens to be the 25th largest bank in the United States. Key Corp has offices in 39 states, and Key Bank has 1,197 branches as well as 1,527 ATMs. You might also want to note that the customer base of Key Corp spans retail, investment, corporate, and small business clients. This company offers several deposits, investment products and services, and personal finance as well as financial wellness services. The price of one Key Corp share was $20.17 at the moment of making this video. The annual dividend yield is 3.57%, and they pay $0.74 in the form of dividends each year. The shares of Key Corp have surged more than 51% during the last 6 months. And according to a report published by Nasdaq on May 10th of this year, the company has witnessed earnings per share growth rate of 6.6% in the past 3 to 5 years. Furthermore, its earnings are projected to surge 70.6% in 2021. Besides, the company's earnings are anticipated to grow at a rate of 23% over the long term compared with the industry's average of 11.50%. And as of March 31st of this year, Key Corp had a debt of $13.5 billion. In comparison, cash in due from banks totaled $938 million. The ROE of this company is 11.06%, while the industry average is 10.65%. Lastly, we have SPHD, which is an ETF that pursues high yield first and low volatility second. It offers you exposure to a basket of 50 high-yielding and low-volatility stocks. According to a report published by SeekingAlpha.com, SPHD sports a 30-day SEC yield of 4.1% and a trailing 12-month yield of 3.9%.
Greasy. That's really fucking greasy.
Yeah, it's greasy. Greasy.
That is roughly 3 times higher than the yield of the S&P 500. At the moment of making this video, the price of one SPHD share was $44.26. And talking about the dividend, they pay a monthly dividend. However, the payout fluctuates from month to month. The good news is that the dividend paid out by SPHD has grown over time. In fact, the annual dividend of SPHD increased at 11% average pace between the years 2013 and 2020. For example, the dividend paid on May 24th of this year was $0.114 per share, while the dividend paid to shareholders on June 21st of this year was $0.121. So, these were the top 5 dividend stocks you can buy for under $50. In the end, I would highly recommend that you do your own research before investing your money and diversify your portfolio to minimize the risks. I would just say that I personally own these stocks in my portfolio and I love the dividends that I'm collecting so far. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And lastly, if you have not already subscribed to Glory Investing Show, subscribe to it and press that bell button so you'll be notified each time we upload an interesting video on this channel. And while you're here, click to watch one of these 4 videos that are appearing on your screen. We'll see you there. Take care and stay tuned.